travelers, reward enthusiasts and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I'll give you an overview of the card, its pros and cons, and my take on that card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Alaska Airlines Visa Signature credit card. The Visa Signature credit card is preferred by devoted Alaska Airlines customers for a good reason. The favourable annual companion fare on this card is sufficient for many members to justify the annual fee. Reduced incidental travel costs are made possible by Alaska's free checked bags, discounts at Alaska lounges, and refunds for purchases made during flights. The Alaska Airlines mileage plan is well liked even by customers who are not from the West Coast. Thanks to Alaska Airlines' network of more than 20 airline partners, which includes members of the One World Alliance, mileage plan customers can use their miles to make overseas redemptions. Online redemption of miles is normally straightforward and quick, and is offered by the majority of partners. Although the Alaska Airlines program has a lot of sweet spots, earning these miles is challenging. There is presently only one major transferable points scheme that works with Alaska Airlines, and that is Marriott. You have two major choices for quickly racking up a significant number of Alaska miles: applying for the Alaska Airlines Visa Business Card and the Alaska Visa Signature Card. The Alaska Airlines Visa Signature credit card, issued by Bank of America, stands out from the majority of the airline card competition for one crucial reason. It provides an annual companion fare, allowing you to buy a ticket for a traveling companion for just $121, $99 plus taxes and fees starting at $22 once a year. Other benefits similar to this include no foreign transaction fees, free checked bags for you and up to 6 other passengers on the same reservation, 20% back on purchases made by Alaska Airlines during flights, monthly access to your FICO score, and some more conventional benefits like EMV chip technology in cards, a $0 liability guarantee, and account alerts. A meeting with a financial expert can be scheduled through Bank of America. It must be logged into your account either online or through your app to access this function. You might occasionally be able to use live chat as well. By contacting the number provided on the back of your credit card, you can get in touch with customer support. Several security features are included with this card. According to the Bank of America, it keeps track of your behavior and will stop any potential fraud. Account alerts might also aid in keeping you informed of the issue. The responsibility assurance for fraudulent purchases is $0 with this credit card, as it is with many other credit cards. You may keep tabs on your credit by using other tools, such as monthly access to your FICO score. If your score suddenly drops, that can be a sign that you need to verify your credit record for fraud. To qualify for this card, you must have a credit score that is good or exceptional, which is defined as being between 670 and 850. You should be cautious about your credit score because it must fall within this range. Keep in mind that this card comes with an annual fee of $75. You can be sure that every card has its pros and cons. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Alaska Airlines Visa Signature credit card. Here are the pros. Firstly, on flights operated by Alaska Airlines, one checked bag is free. Secondly, earn 3 times the miles when you make transactions with Alaska Airlines. And thirdly, 40,000 miles bonus. Number 4. Spend miles on flights with more than a dozen international airline partners. Number 5. Benefits of Visa Signature. Number 6. You might save hundreds of dollars by purchasing an annual companion fare. And lastly, number 7. There are no costs for international transactions. Here are the cons. Number 1. Has an annual fee. Number 2. No introductory 0% APR rate exists. Number 3. There aren't many flight options on the East Coast and in the Midwest. Number 4. Alaska Airlines flights alone are eligible for companion tickets. Number 5. No priority boarding. Number 6. credit must be good or excellent. And lastly, number 7, the flexibility of rewards is restricted. We've heard about the pros and cons. Now let me introduce you to how you can earn rewards and tell you my thoughts on the card. When using the Alaska Airlines Visa Signature credit card to make eligible Alaska Airline purchases, you will earn 3 times the miles for every dollar spent. Every additional $1 you spend will result in 1 mile. You might be able to earn more miles on some flights, though it will depend on the distance and operator. There aren't many additional ways to use this card to gain rewards. How many extra miles will you get depends on your airfare, not the amount you charge to your credit card. Your welcome bonus is another thing you have. You can purchase 1 ticket and receive a second for simply the taxes and fees, which works out to a fare of $0 plus taxes and fees for $22 and 40,000 bonus miles. You must spend $3,000 or more on purchases within the first 90 days of opening your account to qualify. The second element of the signing bonus is swift access to a reduced companion fare. Alaska's legendary companion fare can be reserved for as little as $121 when you meet the requirements of the one-time deal. You'll be eligible for a second companion fare on the first anniversary of your card and each succeeding year. Flights with Alaska Airlines and its network of partner airlines can be purchased using Mileage Plan miles. The route network of Alaska Airlines covers more than 100 locations in the United States, Canada, Belize, Costa Rica and Mexico, while it is best known for its West Coast destinations. The option to reserve a complimentary stopover, even on a one-way award ticket, is a valuable and uncommon feature of Mileage Plan airline awards. This perk is unavailable on any domestic carrier. A stopover can occur for a day to over a year. For the same price as Seattle to Los Angeles, you could, for instance, book a flight from Seattle to San Francisco, make a few days' worth of stops along the way, and then continue from San Francisco to Los Angeles. Alaska Airlines is going to be a part of the One World Airline Alliance in 2021. Because of this, Mileage Plan members can accrue and redeem miles and enjoy advantages on all One World carriers, as well as non-alliance partners of Alaska Airlines like Emirates, Korean Air, LATAM Airlines and Singapore Airlines. One limitation on an Alaska Airlines award is that except for flights operated by both Alaska Airlines and a partner, no 2 partners may be combined on the same ticket. Booking a reward flight on Alaska Airlines and Qantas is not possible. A Singapore Airlines plus Alaska Airlines award ticket is the only one that can be reserved. There are times when you can get around this restriction by purchasing 2 one-way tickets instead of 1 round-trip ticket. The transfer of miles to other loyalty programs is also not permitted. Instead, you reserve your rewards travel on alaskaair.com, and if a partner is required to transport you to your destination, it is included in your reservation. The key to maximizing your profits with the Alaska Airlines Visa Signature credit card is to use it to book flights on that airline. You can earn points rather quickly with 3 times the miles for every dollar you spend, especially if you meet the qualifications for the one-time promotion. Additionally, if you want to make the most of the benefits, use the companion fare each year. I would give the prizes a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 for the advantages. The annual costs gets a 7 out of 10. And I would give the level of customer service an 8. Because of its limitations, the Alaska Airlines Visa Signature credit card is a good choice for people looking for a travel card and frequent Alaska Airlines flyers. Given the minimal redemption requirements, it might be the ideal choice for people who frequently make quick excursions along the West Coast. One of Alaska Airlines' extra perks for frequent customers is the 3 times mile offer, which is offered for every dollar spent on the airline's merchandise. You can also get 20% back on purchases made while traveling, as well as 50% off a day's entrance to an Alaska Airlines airport lounge. This credit card, which has a $75 annual charge, offers benefits typically reserved for elite members of Alaska Airlines. According to those who are mileage experts or are eager to learn more about them, the Alaska Airlines Mileage Plan is one of the most adaptable and lucrative mileage programs for award tickets, both domestically and internationally. Alaska Airlines' mileage plan consistently tops lists as the top domestic frequent flyer program. It is the last major domestic airline that still allows its customers to accrue miles based on the number of miles travelled, rather than the amount of money spent on tickets. Overall, this card may be a wise choice if you fly Alaska Airlines frequently. Since the airline only offers a small number of destinations, you might benefit more from a card if you frequently travel on one of those other routes. I suggest you think through every scenario before applying for this card or any other. This wraps up my review of the Alaska Airlines Visa Signature credit card. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of it. These videos take a long time to make and are a labour of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.